Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. Today, we're talking about Xiaomi's latest foray into the automotive sector with their first-ever sedan, the SU7. As you might know, the Chinese company has been making waves in the electric vehicle market, with sales reaching 11 million units last year alone. And it seems that they've got a design chief, Tianyuan Li, who's been instrumental in creating a car that stands out from the crowd. Joining us today is Tianyuan Li, the chief of design for Xiaomi EV. Tianyuan, thanks for being on Electro Drive News. We're excited to dive into your story and learn more about what inspired the design of the SU7. According to you, what makes this car unique compared to its competitors? For us at Xiaomi EV, it's all about creating designs that are aesthetically pleasing, enduring, and stand the test of time. That's why we've laid down 3 core principles that inform not only the design of the SU7, but also all our future cars. Firstly, we want our designs to be timeless, aligning with scientific and natural laws. Secondly, they must resonate with human intuition. And thirdly, they must be influenced by something that remains unchanged in time, like wind resistance. That's right, the automotive industry has a history of over 100 years, and trends are constantly evolving. But what remains constant is the flow of time itself. By grasping these unchanging elements, we can create products that transcend time. And for us, that starts with the SU7. But it's not just about aesthetics. Efficiency is also critical for electric vehicles like the SU7. That's why our best shaping tool is indeed the wind. We've tested the car extensively in wind tunnels to optimize its design and minimize energy consumption. The proportions, surface language, and even details like the side mirrors were all inspired by this research. The results are impressive. Within just 24 hours of opening pre-orders, Xiaomi had already received over 88,000 deposits for the SU7. And 8 months later, they'd rolled out 100,000 units, making them one of the fastest-growing automotive startups in China. That's not surprising given the car's dynamic credentials on the track. A prototype broke the official lap record at the Nürburgring Nordschleife circuit with a time of less than 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Now, some might still be skeptical about electric cars produced in mainland China, but I believe that perception is slowly changing. Tianyuan, can you tell us more about this stigma and how Xiaomi EV is working to overcome it? I think the outside world often has a limited view of what's happening in the Chinese automotive industry. But data shows that new energy vehicles have achieved remarkable growth, 35% penetration in just 2 years. We're shattering outdated perceptions by investing heavily in core technologies like localized battery production, intelligent systems, and more. And it's not just about technology. Xiaomi EV is also adopting a value-driven approach to competition. Research teams from overseas manufacturers are actually studying Chinese companies' products at motor shows. That's the kind of shift we're seeing in the industry. Thanks for sharing your insights with us today, Tianyuan. It's clear that Xiaomi EV is on the cusp of something big, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for this brand. That's all for now from Electro Drive News. Don't forget to subscribe for more news, reviews, and updates on the world of electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions.